Hello guys, welcome back to Tronics Energy. We are still working on our digital clock circuit. So there's nothing really much that I've added here, only that I've added this part here. So last time we just had the 24029 which were showing, this one was the one from the clock and this one was the one from the user. Once he press set, then it drives the CD4029 to the next bit, to the next binary, and once they have set the value which they want, and if they match with the other one, then they go to the time matcher. So we added a time matcher. The time matcher contains three ICs. The first one is an XOR gate. An XOR gate, when both of the inputs are alike, it's going to give a 0, but we want a 1. So those zeros are going to come and enter a NOT gate, and they have inverted to a 1. So that those 1 signals, they enter a 4 input AND gate. The 4 input AND gate decides if all of the bits are correct and they match. So the 4 input AND gate is going to give a 1 signal, and that 1 signal is going to come and trigger the Siren module. So right now I'm working on the Siren module right here. I hope you've understood the time matcher. Right here, if you have an XNOR gate, it's actually better because you don't need a NOT gate. Or the reason why I'm using a NOT gate is because the XOR gate outputs a value of 0 when both inputs are alike, because I'm taking bits like this Q4, I'm comparing it to the other Q4, Q3 to Q3, Q2 to Q2, and Q1 to Q1. So all of the bits, I'm comparing them using a 4 XOR gates. Then they all enter a NOT gate to be inverted into be a 1 signal, and that 1 signal enters a 4 input AND gate, which checks if all of the pins or all of the outputs are correct. And if they are correct, then it's going to give a 1 signal. That 1 signal is going to come and trigger the Siren module. So the Siren module contains 2 push buttons. These 2 push buttons on top are for the setting, so for the user to set and reset if they want. The bottom ones are the ones for the Siren module. So this one is for allowing. So it's like enable. It's enable. So once you press it, it turns on it triggers. Okay, this one is not going to be there. Just a place it there just to show you how it's going to be working. It's going to be driven by the AND gate. So once the AND gate checks if both of the inputs are correct, then it's going to give a 1 signal to trigger the alarm. So the alarm is this one right here. You can see it's on. Contains an bistable NE555 right here, which is the one which is going to enable the rest part of the circuit. So the bistable powers the other NE555 right here, which goes through a buffer gate to amplify that signal. And this NE555 connected in A-stable mode also powers the other NE555 connected in A-stable mode. Both of this one output passes through the buffer gate just to be amplified for it to go to the last oscillator. So yeah, so basically also we have port meters right here. It's just to vary if you want to change the sound or the tune which you want. According to what you want, you can just change. As you can see, if I press, you can see it's staying a little bit on, then goes off, then goes off, like that. So you can just change that configuration. You can make it to turn short, and also this button is just to stop it. So once you press this, stops it, and you can set your alarm again. So that's basically what the circuit entails, and that's what I wanted you to see today. And yeah, once I'm done, I'm just going to connect it to the big clock, and we will be done with our circuit. We will be done with our digital clock all the way from top there. You can see from the seconds generator to the displays to the pause and resume push buttons right here, and the logic to the alarm system, which has the time matcher, and to the Siren module, which is going to be on the bottom here, like that. Yes, and we'll be through with our circuit. So that's basically what we'll be doing, yeah, in the next episode. So thank you very much guys for watching. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, any suggestions, you can just leave them in the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer you guys. So yeah, thank you, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.